Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have one of my favorite fish here with me. This is the deep sea chicken, hoi tai kai. Yeah, the meat is very tender. Usually it's from Sabah. Yeah, so I'm going to steam it and later make some very simple ginger soya sauce steaming sauce for this fish. So what I did now is, actually this is half the fish. The fish is quite big. I requested the seller to butterfly cut for me. So this is only half of it. And then I made a few slits on the fish body and put some ginger in between the slits so that later it can actually steam more evenly. So after that, we will just sprinkle it with some fine salt on top and send it to the steamer. So once you heat up your steamer, then we will put in the fish in the middle and let it steam for approximately 12 minutes because this fish is very thick even though it's only half of it. Let's quickly make the steamed fish sauce. I have some hot water here. First of all, I'm going to give it some fried ginger together with some fried ginger oil. Then we will add in some premium light soya sauce. Done. And I have some fresh coriander for garnishing later, yeah? This is super yummy. That's how simple it is. Right, the water is not enough. Okay. Right, let it continue to the steam. Right, this is after 12 minutes steaming. Wow. Ooh, the fish looks really good. Do you see what I'm seeing right now? Look at how shiny it is. So I have removed the fishy water, yeah, the steamed fish water. That is the source of fishiness, so we have to remove that. Then I also removed the ginger. So next thing, I'm going to pour the steamed fish sauce all over the fish here. Ooh. And garnish it with some spring onion. Done. That's how simple it is. That's how simple it is to make a very yummy steamed fish at home. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.